Guys, the super epic amplifier is coming. I'm just walking down to go grab it real quick. Hey, Dalton Co-op! Got it! Well, now that I've got the labels off and everything, packaging looks good. Sad that it got dented. I'm not opening it yet. I need to show my current set. I have this plugged into there. That one, the second one, and this has a wire because the battery obviously can't be in there otherwise. It's plugged into here when this is plugged into the first one. Two Kenwood speakers, they usually point away, but like for some reason they keep getting adjusted. So I'm going to do a before and after. So I'm going to record this, then I'm going to record the opening of this, then I'm going to record this being used for that. One speaker unhooked. I'll take this off for now. No more audio. Going through this speaker system. Well, through the speakers at least. Put this cord down here. Put that there. Now time for turning these. This can finally go into retirement. Good old girl. So, now that the whole setup's been torn apart, I can get on with the other one. See? Wire. Uno wire. Ready for musical. After the second one. Wire number 2 prepped and ready. Now, for the moment I've been waiting for. Don't know if you've been waiting for it. I've been waiting for it. The Douk Audio Amplifier. Right, so I have my Kenwood's speaker wire, RCA cable. I have no idea if I need that. And the Douk Audio M4. Yeah, M4. Let's go. European power plug. Bluetooth antenna, gonna need this. Manual that I'm going to read off camera. Okay, so I've read it. Cool. A little bit of background on Douk Audio if you want to read this. If the camera... There we go. There you go. Alright, now for the thing I've been waiting for ages. If my camera can fucking... Yeah? Is it focused? Congratulations, you can focus now. The amplifier. Oof. Feels weighty. Oh. Make sure I don't drop it, you know? There it is. Douk Audio M4. Ooh, listen to the knobs. And the switch. It should be a clicky switch, right? Bluetooth/USB. Where's that antenna? Right, so it's here, and the manual said to not angle this box so sideways, to take that off, grab the antenna, screw it on, and I should be able there you go. The Douk Audio M4. It has 4 speaker level outputs, a single power. I'm not going to do that. Oh, God. 2 RCA ins for when you just want to, you know, RCA, just slot them on like that. Sweet. Evidently the fucking FM/Bluetooth audio thing. Now, I'm going to go put it up there and plug it in. Think it definitely got power going to it, because look at that light. Oh, so excited. I'm probably just going to use like something like this to open up the speaker terminals. I'll plug in the thin cables first. This one sounds really good on this. So overall, the Douk Audio M4 is crisp, has amazing highs. It's overall amazing. It feels decent. The chassis is made of metal, which is great, and so are the knobs. The RCA outputs are pretty good. The speaker outs are a little wobbly. I'm going to assume that you can take them out, but I'm not going to try. The power brick and cable are amazing, decent quality, and they're very long, so they can reach basically anywhere in a room, of course. And yeah, it's good. It's amazing, actually. I'd recommend it for beginners because it's a 450 watt out amplifier, so it'll be plenty because you don't need to go above 60 decibels usually. You should be fine there. But yeah, great amplifier, great sound, overall amazing. Don't really know what I can say about it. Yeah, it's just great.